Alright, mi gente, otro más. Ya le puse el plywood, ya lo marqué. I already put the plywood. I marked it in the top. I marked at the bottom for the bottom plywood. And then if you put this plywood, then I'm gonna put the siding. Right way I did it. The way I have to do it. Put it back. Ahí. That's the way. The way it is. The way it was, my people. And you just gotta follow the last screw. Put at the bottom. One here, one there. One there. That's the way it goes. This is the final piece before I put the siding and put in the caulking. Making sure, like I said, up there you mark it so you know exactly where you're studying. So you're not playing around too much.